In 1970, Dodge built 1,710 Dodge Super Bs with a 383 Magnum in a two-door post with an automatic transmission. This happens to be one of them. It also happens to be the subject of this week's Autopsy report. E63 is the 330 horsepower 383 Magnum. D32 is the 727 torque flight transmission. In this case, it's an automatic on the column. WM21, that's the first four characters of the vehicle identification number. W means it's a Coronet, M means it's a Super B, 21 means it's a two-door post. N0G, the N again represents the engine call-out 383 Magnum. 0 is the model year, 1970, and G represents the assembly plant, in this case, St. Louis. 191872 is the unique vehicle identification number, or serial number. FY4 represents the paint code. F again means it was introduced, the color, in 1970. Y4 is light gold metallic. H2X9 means it's a bench seat car, all vinyl in black. TX9 in this location represents the upper door frame paint color. TX9 is black. 217 represents the scheduled production date of the car. Since this is a 1970 model car, that means the scheduled production date is 1970, February, and the 17th day. 251333, that is the shipping order number, only appears on the broadcast sheet. V1X, that is the black vinyl top. J25, that is the 3-speed wipers. Normally speaking, it's an option, but with a Ram Charger hood, it's mandatory. M21, that is the drip rail moldings. M31, body belt moldings. N96, that is our cold air induction system. R11, AM radio. V8X is a black tape style transverse bumblebee stripe. Y16 represents a sales bank car, meaning it was just ordered to put in inventory for the dealer. END represents the end of the sales code and the end of this week's Autopsy report.